way you're up to. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, quick and fast, we just get some pizza. By the way, it's Sunday and nobody don't cook, nobody don't cook, and we are eat this we are gonna eat today, and one bag of fat. All right, so let us forward. Whenever I start the vlog, by the way, hey guys, and I'm the girl Alicia, Amor with a pretty badness outside. Right now we're outside in like New Kingston, and I'm gonna pull a little belly and sing. Yes, so I'm just come along for the ride. Later I think we're going to play some games. I'm going to check my friend and we're going to play some games. We don't know how that's going to go, but hopefully we get to forget them, right? Alright. Cheers! The dear sister.
I've been niggas that shine it through it, and that's really how we do it. We had to destroy it.
Him can still kill you. Him can still kill you. It wouldn't make sense if you kill him, because he would still kill you. No, because they not take care of themselves. We work hard. We get up and jump up sometime and run and then something. And pass skipper, then down and come back up. You see how easy that is for me?
Everything. I told you was sex. They are thief in town.
Guys, so I never come at the river here before. I first me I come at the river here. But I step a little bit from the crowd so I can talk. I have not started this vlog as yet, so this is me starting the vlog. Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia Amor. You don't know we do it already. We're outside. It's not a good time period for me right now, but of course I go talk to now. Why am I weak so lean? Well on the man. Alright, I'm gonna fix it. It's not a good time period for me guys. So the whole reason for coming to the river is just to basically find a way to cope. Because I've just been crying all day. So I decided to come to the river so that, you know, I can just relax myself and stop overthinking. So, you know, by this time I'm supposed to explain to you already what's happening. So they're out here with the family and we're just chill at the river. To be honest with you now guys, I don't even need get too excited about the dress up and them something. I just drawing something and run out. Yeah, so it's not really a fashion statement today, I'm more of a just a vibe, isn't it? So that what they here do and sing. Yeah, we mix match and all kind of things, but I'm gonna show you the falls. See it? I can see the falls from over there, so that's the way I go, that's the way I go. I'm a workout this morning. Watch your step. Oh! Yeah!
It starts.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. We're here. You see what you want? And the year just starts. Yeah, Dada, yeah, come with me. We know 4 o'clock beard. We know 4 o'clock beard.
You wrap it up in a towel then? Or panties? You wet?
Suck yourself.
I know you're not going to watch Ready, dog, come now, come, ready. Run on. I'm going there. I'm never been my child for.
No, them so deep, you know. Yeah? No. Now, why? River come down now. Yeah? River come down now.
Well, this girl, man. Turn it out of there, right? It's up to how we get that.
Dog in a further. Oh, Lisa, you know, say myself, Marvin, Lisa. I run from the water. Oh, yeah, so much chamber.
Boy, sexy. Go up there. Eh? Guys, look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at this. This is the top. Woo. Eh?
Portland flood the nice things them. No, you can't come. Stop what you can come up. You really come back? No, come on. Alright, wait, let me carry you. Wait, let me carry you now. No, I'm not coming. And you come so far. It's not bad, you come. Can't go there? And it's so nice. Oh God, look for it. I right just on the one there.
We're leaving now. Guys, the rain and the river cold as fuck. River murder. Bye. I just want to read somewhere warm. Jesus. Guys, the river cold. The river cold water. And to how unplanned this was, I don't even have extra clothes. So because my flaming towel. So that I could feel warm. Because this wasn't a planned trip, guys. So just get up. I just run on the roads. Pick up a bus. Never even that thing. So I'm going to need extra clothes. I'm so cold. Jesus. But the river is a complete vibe. In the cold, man. Oh. Jesus. I am super cold. Wow. I don't know if this is how it normally is or if it's because it's raining. Because we're in the rain. As soon as we got into Portland, it was raining and we were worried we wouldn't get to enjoy the river. But oh my God, we still trying to make the best of it. But can't stay no longer because oh yo, like me have a hypothermia. Me cold. No one cold come down for me a while ago. Me I say, when I cold, me I say you are say you're cold, but me not feel cold. I feel it, yeah, I feel it when me come out and I'm going to do something, I say, wow. I can't. Oh, I do this now. I have to go and ring out this. Guys, so we have to go back to Kingston. Thank you, Portland. It was rainy and it was cold. And we wish it weren't so. But we try to make the best of it. Because it's a new year and nothing nicer than a nice fresh bathe at the river to start your New Year's. The river, they give you blessings. Rain and fall to some whole heap of blessings that's now.
Whole heap of shower.
Alright, so and also we have to take on the street and not take time going. We have to cover us safely. We'll ring on the back when time we reach in, alright?
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.